Hi, today we will install Postfix for local delivery. I think all servers must have mailing capabilities because it can generate mails anytime. For example, when running cron jobs, or maybe you use OS monitoring scripts. So anything can happen and the administrator has to be notified. The first step is to install Postfix package. Here we set local only, but we can set anything because we will override the main configuration file of Postfix. Now stop the Postfix service. Previously I've created the config. Let's see it. There are two important settings here. The first is to listen on loopback interface, and the other is the IP address of the relay host. And we have some other files here we have to work with. These. Now copy the config to the Postfix directory. Here, and the first file alias is here. It's okay. This address has to be a valid email address for the notifications. And now new aliases, and let's see the etc mail name. It's okay too. Now start the Postfix service, and all done. Bye.